Hello everyone, welcome back to DigiGlobe Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of databases to talk about key features of the RDBMS. Whether you are new to database or just curious about how they work, this video is yet for you. Let's get started. While coming to the key features of RDBMS, here are some key features of an RDBMS. Data integrity. RDBMS ensures accuracy and consistency of data through constraints and rules. While coming to the data recovery, offers backup and recovery options to protect against data loss. And normalization, the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity is known as normalization. Data redundancy minimizes data duplication through normalization. Data scalability handles large amount of data efficiently and can scale as needed. While coming to the popular data RDBMS examples, we have some of popular RDBMS examples include MySQL, open source and widely used for web applications. PostgreSQL, known for its advanced features and extensibility. Oracle database, highly reliable and used in large enterprises. Microsoft SQL, integrated with Microsoft products and services. SQLite, lightweight and often used in mobile and embedded applications. While coming to the summary, RDBMS is a powerful tool for managing structured data. It uses tables to store data, SQL to interact with it, and provides features that ensure data integrity, security, and efficiency. Whether you are building a small app or managing enterprise data, understanding RBMS is example. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.